Open web browser. Go to search bar and search VMware Pro download. Click on first link. Click on download now. Downloading has started. It will take a time to download. I have already downloaded, so I will not download this again. After download, click on this PC. Then click on Downloads. You will see X file after download. Right click on X file, then click on Open. Open web browser. Go to search bar, search VMware Pro product key. Click on GitHub link. Turn off internet connection, otherwise the VMware Pro will not be activated. Copy product key. Click on Next. Click on I accept. Click on Next, Next, and Next. Then click on Install. Click on License. Paste the product key. Click on Enter. Then click on Finish. Open VMware Pro. Click on Help. Then click on About Workstation Pro. If the status is showing license, this means that your product has been activated.